We're looking at question 37 of 45. This is on your GACE ETS 022 Math Practice Test. This is a recursive function. Usually, when we have functions like this, we can use the compound interest formula. However, this is different because it's asking you to figure it out recursively. So let's just talk about it for a minute. Karen opened her son an account with $100. Okay. It earns 8% interest, and that was on his first birthday. Okay. After that, $50 is deposited on each of his birthdays. No withdrawals or deposits were made until his 11th birthday. All right. I guess this is kind of confusing to me. It took me a minute to... Basically, they're saying on his 11th birthday, I guess they gave him the money, or all bets were off, or this no longer took place. This is sort of a throwaway and sort of almost I feel like meant to kind of throw you a little bit. But let's kind of talk about it. It's 8% interest per year. It's only compounded annually. That's simple interest, basically. Terrible. And it asks which models the amount of money in the account in years. First of all, I do want to comment about this. I don't like this script. They're using A of n and A of n minus 1, which is not really proper notation. You would typically see A sub n and A sub n minus 1, so that it was clearly a tag and not, let's say, multiplying something. But it's okay. I guess that's just what they want. So that first year, after his first birthday, he got 0.08 interest. But keep in mind, 10 times 100, times 0.08 means that year he earned $8. That's not the only amount in the account. The amount in the account is the original amount plus the interest that he earned. And we write that like this. Factor the 100 out, and that's 0.08 plus 1, or 100 times 1.08. Okay, so 100 times 1.08 is how you would write what he got after that first year. Then he gets a deposit of 50. All right. Now, the important thing to remember is this. The 100, that was his first year. But 100, so A sub 0 is equal to 100. You could put A sub 0 right there. Okay. That represents, the original amount, and I'm wrong about that. Hold on. Not A sub 0. If this is year 0, from beginning to end of year 0, this is year 1. Okay. Year 1 would be A sub n minus 1. So in other words, A sub 1 minus 1 is A sub 0. You're grabbing that amount from the previous year, which of course got multiplied by 1.08 and then adding 50. And that's how much he has at the end of year 1. So then at 2, of course, you would take all of that. So it would be the amount of interest that he earned plus the original 100 plus the 50 plus the amount of interest that he earned on the 50. So you could still do that by saying A sub n minus 1, all of that, times 1.08. And then on his birthday as a present, they add 50 again. So if that is 0, then you can write n as A sub n minus 1 times 1.08 plus 50. And they're writing it, of course, A of n minus 1 times 1.08 plus 50. And so that's answer B.